Understanding from a faith perspective that you can go from a borrowed space to a built space. And in that borrowed space, you understand that there's shared values, there's a shared future. And when you come together to truly have unity, you can do whatever you put your mind to. And that's exactly what we have here today. Our community, working together, building together, learning from one another.
Buildings such as these are expressions of hope. They reflect the aspirations of a community, the sacrifices of those who came before us, and the commitment we make to future generations. When a community invests in something meant to endure, it's making quite a powerful statement. We are rooted here. We care deeply about the place we call home, and we are committed to helping it thrive.
Take a moment and look around. Who's here? A mayor, leaders of our city, friends from many faiths, donors and volunteers, elders who remember when this community had no building of its own, and children who will grow up never knowing a Little Rock without this building.
I would like to invite our leaders to join us for the ceremonial unveiling of the plaque.